is the famous Batasya loop. Most important thing is that I saw the sunrise consecutively 3 days. My goodness, it was a hat trick for me. Now I am in front of the Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. And here is the Mountaineering Institute too. Inside this Mountaineering Institute, we have some adventure sports like indoor wall climbing and treetop activities. There are many things like that. And you know, I really like this thing. Inside there is a show going on. Let's see if we can catch a glimpse. Come. Hello and welcome back to Travelalala. This is the last episode of Darjeeling. So let's see what I have to show you. So right now I'm in front of the Buddhist temple and this is the Peace Pagoda. So we will go inside and see. If you're allowed to shoot, I will definitely try and do it. And if not, then let's see. First, let's go inside the Buddhist temple. So this is a Japanese temple. You're not allowed with your shoes. And this Buddhist temple here, we're going to go inside. I'm not sure whether videography is allowed. So I'll go and have a look and let you know what's inside. This temple was founded by Fuji Guruji, as we can see his photograph here. And it's a very peaceful temple, I must say. This is the market in the Mall Road. So many variety of woolen clothes and souvenirs flocked up here. You can spend half of your day just window shopping. This I am walking beside me. As you can see the shops, this is called the Mahakal Bazaar. There's a Mahakal Mandir here and beside it all the shops, and this is called the Mahakal Bazaar, and this is adjacent to the mall area of Darjeeling. I am really tempted to do a lot of shopping, but right now I'm very hungry. So let's go have some food. Hello, once again, this is my lunchtime today and I am at restaurant Shangri-La and I'm sitting outside under the umbrella, and as you can see beside me, behind me, it's all the Mall Road of Darjeeling. Yes. I'm enjoying it, so I'm waiting for my food. Hello guys, this is my dinner tonight. This is famous chicken sizzler from Cleaneries. Wow, I just like the sizzling sound. So, hi guys, I have got with me 2 runners who are going to run for tomorrow Ronalok Police Marathon Darjeeling. What are your names, please?
Dipen from Sikkim.
My name is Chuang Bhutia.
from Sikkim too?
Yes.
Okay, these both guys are from Sikkim. I am feeling like I'll be shivering to death. Look at these two guys, just a t-shirt. I don't know how are they managing. I'm sure they will fare wonderful tomorrow. All the best, guys.
Oh, thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.
I don't know whether tomorrow I'll be staying till 10 o'clock. Your run ends at?
It will start from 6:30.
6:30 and ends at?
No,
11.
first by 6:30 there will be Zumbas and all, body warming.
Yeah,
And
warming,
maybe
warming
particular
session.
run will start from maybe 7:30.
Okay, 7:30. So you are running for 10 kilometers,
No,
15
21.
kilometers? 21 kilometers. My goodness, that is something. I can only think of 5 kilometers in my city, and here in the hills.
Steve.
Yeah, and in the hills they are thinking of 21 kilometers. I mean, all the best, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, and how do you prepare for your marathon, like this jogging?
Yeah.
Yeah, jogging and this jumping
Yeah,
jacks.
jumping
Yeah.
jacks.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah, that's high knees. That's his drink. Oh my God, that's great. And after
Even
the
we are
din-
so excited.
yeah, and after the dinner, we are seeing all this. So it's great, you know. All the best, guys.
Thank
all
you,
the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you,
And aren't you feeling the cold and chill?
No.
No.
Not at all.
Yeah, they're heated up already. I'm sure they're going to win something or the other, right, guys?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So guys, this is around 10 at night and this is Darjeeling Mall region, and tomorrow, as every the marathon, as you can see, the barricades have been made for the start and ending positions. Let's see what happens tomorrow. This is the morning when I have to say bye-bye to Darjeeling. I just checked out from the tourist lodge and I will meet my car at the mall region because I told you there's a marathon going on. So the cars aren't allowed up here, at least till 11. But I need to push off, so I'll meet my driver there. And till then, tra la la la.
जो आमन्त्रित अतिथिगणहरु छ उहाँहरुको पनि सम्बर्धना हुने कार्यक्रम रहेको छ र अहिले भने we are waiting for Kailash Kher to perform.
Run-along Darjeeling Marathon. This was definitely not on my list, but what a surprise. I got a chance to witness this. What a wonderful ambience here. Many runners have just completed and queuing up here. The special guest was Milind Soman with his family and Kailash Kher. His song is about to start and it's lovely ambience here. I met him and today I meet him again. So, how was your marathon?
It was pretty good. Actually, I'm not from this state. I'm from Sikkim.
Yeah.
I came all the way to participate out here. Actually, by professionally, I'm a lawyer, but I'm a fitness freak. So it's been 10 years. I'm associated with different sports like football, running, and futsal. Do you know futsal?
No, that's a martial art?
No, futsal is a game where 5 players play. It's like football.
Okay. So he is a lawyer by profession, but a fitness freak running. I should learn something from him now. And so guys, as you can see the craze out here, it's like totally maddening and it gives you a lot of positive energy. People getting up in the morning, running, and now the marathon is almost over. Few people are still completing the race. Oh, hi! See, I met him once again.
After
Yes.
finishing the 21 kilometer.
21 kilometers
Yeah.
here. Just now we were talking to his friend and now you are here too.
Yeah.
It's great. So how are you feeling?
Very good. It's very energetic.
Yeah.
Feelings blessed. Yeah. After pandemic, this is the first marathon. So we are feeling very
Very
blessed.
good and very
Yeah.
rejuvenated.
Yeah.
It's very important, as I say, to keep mentally fit and physically fit as well.
And please follow her in Instagram and YouTube.
Yeah,
Travelala.
Travelala, yeah. Hi guys. Mall region, that side is closed, so I had to take a detour all the way with my baggage. Here you can see people are enjoying after completing the race, and my journey continues to the car. Come. can see, people are coming down after completing their race, and the whole way to the mall region is kind of locked, as you can see behind me also. The region was totally blocked, but now, as the marathon is slowly coming to an end, people are going and having fun too. It's a Sunday morning, obviously. So let's go and see what's going on there. This Darjeeling Marathon run-along is such a relief. Even we can see old people participating. Here comes the oldest man who participated. As we see, that is the last bus carrying all the runners who couldn't complete maybe this time. So for them, I'll say best of luck for the next time, and love you Darjeeling, love Sikkim. My journey to Darjeeling ends here, because as the bus will pass, I'll get on my car and go straight to the airport. So till then, best of luck for all the runners. Congratulations to those who completed, and bye bye Darjeeling.